Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi page but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kasngi hapo ka jingelam u menteri rangba ka jilla u Conrad ki sangma. Kala pediang da karai ban pentrai kam ya ka Meghalaya film policy arajar arpsan. Karkum ka jingya thu da uba apol lingdo menteri katunat kam jingok kai perthei karai bakhat du lashim hadien balayo bun teli ki jing ai jingmut na ki nong penmi film kam tam e na ki nong penmi film hapo ka jilla. Ka thong jongani ka policy ka longban kentiu ya ka Meghalaya kum ka jaka ban aijing shakri shaki national but international filmmaker da ka ba aijing yarap pisa but penklenya ka rukam trekam ba ka sorkar kan ai sa ka subsidi hap do shiklur ne arpsan person na ka ba ishna film ya ki film bashna haki national but international languages ki badam nyop san person ha Meghalaya berkiba aidur babhaya kamaryang. Nagabenta ki film khasi bat garu ka sorkar kala aijing rap pisahadu sanpolak tingka shisin man ka arsnem syakinong pinmi film hapo ka jalaya thuba apol lingdo menteri ketunat tourism. Uba apol lingdo ubenram kijing rap ru kanong syaki TV serials show bat film lingkon bachna hagani ka jala. Ka studio film bat ka jingirap iki film documentary ru lapin kan mau ka sorkar ka don hiru da ka OTTM ka bereitang ka wei ka bapenya da ka sorkar ha India. Kani gari ka jingpai sya ka lenti ba krau ban kentiu ya ka jingok kai lingba ka film tourism laong uba apol lingdo.
And today we took up a number of very important decisions which will have a long-lasting positive impact on the state and its people. I'm joined by our Commissioner and Secretary Home, who will assist me in briefing on 3 items concerning Home Police Department. But we will begin by announcing to you that the Cabinet today took up the matter of discontinuation of interview for Group D posts across the state. This proposed discontinuation of interview for Group D posts is in conformity with our well-established policy of ensuring maximum transparency in the recruitment process to various posts, beginning with Group D posts. This is also as part of our compliance to instructions of the Government of India in the Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Government of India. So, in line with this decision, all appointments for Group D posts will be done without recourse to the process of interview. This will take effect from the 1st of October 2025, meaning it will have a prospective effect, meaning that all such interviews that are scheduled from the 1st of October this year will be minus the need for the candidates to sit for personal interviews. This will also help to speed up our process of appointment and recruitment to various posts and ensure, as I mentioned, transparency and efficiency of the system. On matters relating to rules which have to be adopted by the state government, I would call on Cyril to brief you on items 3, 4 and 5, right?
Yes. Yeah. Thank you.